What's up, Kern County? It's Ryan Nelson, and you are watching Kern Living. As you can see today, we're not in Studio B, but we're here to talk about legal services with a brand new guest. We're going to allow him to introduce himself.
Hi, everybody. My name is Bryan Geoulla. I'm an attorney here at 7 Law Group.
Today, we're talking about lemon law, and I know we have a lemon behind us, but this has nothing to do with fruit, but it has to do with cars, right?
Correct. Okay. Yeah. So the lemon law is a California statute that's designed to protect consumers from getting stuck with defective vehicles. Okay. Essentially what it does is it provides an avenue. Think about it like this. When you buy a defective drill or something from a hardware store, and you bring it home, you use it, it doesn't work, you can take it back and return it. But when you buy a car or lease a car in California, if you take it home, the moment you drive it off the lot, that car is yours. Mm-hmm. So what the lemon law is it's an avenue for people to be able to return their cars and get a refund of what they paid for it.
Wow, that's great, because I know there's a lot of people that are just so tired of callbacks and things of that nature.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
So I'm sure there's a lot of people in Kern County that have dealt with this, but maybe they're thinking, I don't have the funds for this to pay an attorney. How does that work?
So that's one of the best parts about the California lemon law. It requires that the manufacturer of the vehicle pays for the consumer's attorney's fees. So the consumer is never coming out of pocket for our services. The manufacturer will cover our fees on top of whatever they pay back to the consumer for the defective vehicle.
Well, that's great information. So if somebody buys a defective vehicle and they want to get in contact with you, how can they do that?
Yeah, so they can call us anytime at the number that's listed, or you can visit us online at 7law.com. That's SEVEN law.com, and we'll reach out to you and we can discuss the case and see if it's something that we can help you with.
Well, that's great, and I thank you so much for all of that information. I've got some questions myself, Kern County, about this lemon law that I just learned about today, just like you. So I'll see you all next time. Make sure you follow us on all social media platforms at Kern Living on Facebook and Instagram, and myself at Ryan Nelson 23.
Bye, guys.